Today's topic is closed packed structure. In a crystal, we know that constituent particles are present, which may be either atoms, ions, or molecules. These constituent particles are assumed to be spheres. So, what is closed packed structure? So, packing of spheres or constituent particles should be done in such a way that maximum space gets occupied by the spheres or the particles, or we can say that minimum space remains vacant. Now, closed packed structure, it is of three types. First one is closed packed structure in one dimension. Second one is closed packed structure in two dimension, and third one is closed packed structure in three dimension. Now, closed packed structure in one dimension, it is also known as linear closed packing. Now, before discussing the arrangement of particles in one dimension, two dimension, or three dimension, let us consider a term that is coordination number. So, what is coordination number? Coordination number is the number of spheres that are in contact with a particular sphere. For example, suppose this is a sphere and this sphere is in contact with three other spheres. Therefore, coordination number of this sphere, it will be 3. Now, we have to find out the coordination number of particles in one dimension, two dimension, or three dimension. Now, in one dimension, the particles can be arranged either in this way, or in this manner, or in this manner. For example, here the constituent particles are arranged in this manner, or constituent particles may be arranged in this manner, or the constituent particles may be arranged in this way. So, in all the arrangements, we are observing that a linear structure is obtained. Therefore, closed packed structure in one dimension, it is also known as linear closed packing. Now, what's the coordination number of the particles in one dimension closed packing? किसी भी एक particle को हम लोग consider कर लेते हैं. For example, this one. Now, this sphere is in contact with how many spheres? It is in contact with two spheres. So, coordination number is 2. You can take any sphere. For example, this one. This sphere is in contact with how many spheres? 2 spheres. Therefore, coordination number is 2. So, remember that the coordination number of particles in closed packed structure in one dimension, it is always 2. Now, next one is closed packed structure in two dimension. It is of two types. First one is square closed packing, SCP, and second one is hexagonal closed packing, HCP. Now, what is square closed packing and hexagonal closed packing? So, we are discussing just now. In two dimension, it may be of two types. First one is square closed packing. So, in this packing, how the particles are arranged? So, let us take an example. Here the particles are in contact with each other. सेकेंड लेयर बनाना है. सेकेंड लेयर जो है उसका वह वर्टिकली अलाइंड होना चाहिए. तो ठीक इसके नीचे में सेकेंड लेयर हम लोग बना रहे हैं. This is the third layer. Now take any sphere, for example this one. This sphere is in contact with how many spheres? It is in contact with this sphere, this one, and this one. So one sphere is in contact with 4 other spheres. So what's the coordination number in this type of close packing? It is equal to 4. Now if we join the nuclei of each spheres, center of each spheres, then we observe that a square is formed. Therefore, this type of packing is known as square close packing. So remember, in square close packing, coordination number of each spheres, it is always equal to 4. Now next one is hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal close packing. That is HCP. Now let us take an example. Here the arrangement of the particles are in this way. ये first layer है. Second layer we have to make in such a way that the spheres lies at the depression of the first layer. ये depression है, तो यहाँ पर हमको बनाना है, यहाँ से start करना है. In this manner. फिर हम लोग जो है अब यहाँ से start करते हैं. Now observe here. Take any sphere, for example this one. This sphere is in contact with how many spheres? It is in contact with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So one sphere in hexagonal close packing is in contact with 6 other spheres. So coordination number of this type of packing will always be 6. If we join the center of the spheres which are in contact with a particular sphere, then we observe that a hexagonal structure is formed. Therefore, this type of packing is known as hexagonal close packing. In square close packing, 52.4% of the space is occupied by the spheres, and in hexagonal packing 60.4% of the vacant space is occupied by the spheres. So which type of packing is more efficient? Since 60.4% of the vacant space is occupied, therefore hexagonal close packing is more efficient mode of packing than square close packing in 2 dimensions, packing in 3 dimensions. It is very important topic and question comes in your board exam as well as competitive exams from this topic. Now close packing in 3 dimensions, it is of 2 types. First one is hexagonal close packing, that is HCP, and second one is cubic close packing, that is CCP. इन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? तो डिफरेंस जानने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है, ये स्ट्रक्चर इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ द स्फीयर्स आर अरेंज्ड. तो इन केस ऑफ हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग, in the first layer one sphere is surrounded by 6 other spheres. 6 other spheres. In the second layer, 3 spheres are in contact with each other. Again, in the third layer, 7 spheres altogether are in contact with each other. Again, in the next layer, 3 spheres are in contact with each other, and again 7 spheres are in contact with each other, and this type of arrangement goes on. Now this one here, 7 spheres, or we can say 6 spheres are in contact with a particular sphere, so it can be represented in this manner. This one, 3 spheres are in contact with each other. It is represented by a triangle. This one again by a hexagonal, again by a triangle, then by a hexagonal. Suppose this layer is A, this one is B, this one is C. Sorry, again here this layer and the first layer is same, therefore it is A. This layer and the second layer is same, therefore it is B. Again this layer and first layer is same, therefore A. So we are observing that the first layer and the third layer are similar. Second layer and fourth layer are similar. Therefore, the arrangement of the layers are in this type, AB, AB type arrangement. So in hexagonal close packing in 3 dimension, the layers are arranged in this way, AB, AB, dot, dot. Now what's the coordination number of a sphere? Suppose here you take this layer. This layer, here how many particles are in contact with each other? Here 6 particles are in contact with a particular sphere. इसके ऊपर जो लेयर है, तो ये जो 3 पार्टिकल्स है वो यहाँ पर आकर के कांटेक्ट में है, टच कर रहा है. नीचे में भी जो 3 लेयर्स है ये भी इसको टच कर रहा है. तो दिस स्फीयर इट इज इन कांटेक्ट विथ 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. So coordination number it is 12. So always remember that coordination number of hexagonal close packing in 3 dimension it is always 12. Now cubic close packing. In cubic close packing, the arrangement of spheres are again in the first layer, 1 sphere is in contact with 6 other spheres. In the second layer, 3 layers are in contact with each other. Again in the third layer, the arrangement of spheres are in this way. 3 spheres are in contact, but they are opposite to each other. Again in the fourth layer, 1 sphere is in contact with 6 other spheres. Next one, 3 spheres are in contact with each other. Again 3 spheres are in contact with each other, but in the opposite direction. Next layer, 6 layers are in contact with a particular sphere. Suppose here this layer is A, this one is B, this one is C. Then we find that the first layer and the fourth layer it is same, therefore it is A. Second layer and fifth layer it is same, therefore it is B. Third layer and sixth layer it is same, therefore it is C, and this one is again A. So we can write here that this structure may be represented, the arrangement of this one particles, it may be represented by a hexagonal, this one by a triangle. 3 spheres are in contact with each other. 3 layers are also in contact, but in opposite direction. Therefore, it can be represented by a triangle, but the apex of the triangle it is in the opposite direction. Here also a hexagonal is obtained, triangle, a triangle again, apex in the opposite direction, and a hexagonal structure. So we are observing that the alignment of the layers are A, B, C, A, B, C, dot dot. Means first layer and fourth layer is same, second and fifth layer is same, third and sixth layer is same. So in this type of packing, cubic close packing, what will be the coordination number? Suppose take this sphere. What's the coordination of this one? One sphere. This sphere is in contact with how many spheres? 6. इसके ऊपर में जो लेयर है वहाँ how many spheres are there? 3. तो यह जो 3 spheres है, they are in contact with this sphere. इसके नीचे जो 3 spheres है, they are also in contact with this one. So this sphere, it is in contact with 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. So coordination number, it is 12. Coordination number is 12. So remember here that the coordination number of a sphere, of a particle in cubic close packing, it is always 12. Okay, so what's the example? Example of hexagonal close packing, it is zinc, Mg, cubic close packing, Au, Ag, etc.